हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका चैनल KW ट्रेड टॉक्स में। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं स्टॉक स्टार हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस। जैसा कि नाम स्टेट करता है राइट, कंपनी इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में काम करती है। लेट्स विजिट द साइट राइट, स्टार हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं राइट, कंपनी इज़ वर्किंग इन डिफरेंट section right. First one is health, accidental, travel right, and the corporate, and there is a different things where the company is working at the moment. And that's the numbers available on the site, where company is around 25 crore plus rupees claim settling every day, and they are getting settled almost 5,000 plus claims every day, right? So that's the big numbers as per the health insurance sector. And the other things are it's having a network around 14,000 plus networks right across pan India, right? So that's also a good point and it is a big list, right? You can check and go through by yourself right in this company sections, right? Let's see the template right, which company uploaded on the NSE sites. Company के पास almost 31% है retail health sector insurance का. And see company profit after tax right, from the financial year 2023 to 2024 right, it increased by the 37%, and in the first quarter right, it's also jumped from 11% right, which is a good number. And also company state करती है कि it's having a diversified portfolio right, and a specialized product line right, like say it's having a star cancer care policy and star cardiac care policy and star diabetic safe policies right, considering the ongoing issues in our daily society right. So company having a vast portfolio right in their product menu. This stock is having a very good growing business, and let's jump into the screener right to see the financials of this company. This particular stock comes under the mid cap category. Let's see the stock P right, which is the 39.5, and industry P जो है 46.4 right. It's well below the industry P at the moment. ROC के numbers हैं 17 and ROE के numbers हैं 39, which is very good figures right for this company. And there is no pledging at the moment right. It's having a zero pledge. And see the P ratio right, for this chart right. If you can see, company is trading around below 40 P right, while the median P of the stock is 46 right, which is also good in favor of company stock. Company ने recently अभी अपनी रिजल्ट पोस्ट किए हैं फॉर द जून 2024. तो अभी देखते हैं राइट, मार्च 23 राइट, द कंपनी प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज फ्रॉम बाय 135 to 186, and June quarter profit is also increased from 384 to 425 right, which is a very good numbers. And see company के profits right from the 2021 where the company profit was in negative, it started increasing and the company has posted a higher ever results right. And see compounded profit growth के numbers भी काफी अच्छे हैं right. For the 3 years company posting almost 41%, and for the 5 years it's showing almost 46% now, which is amazing number. And company का जो reserve है right, it's increasing year by year basis, and company is sitting on a highest ever reserves at the moment. और company ने अपने 2022 to 23 right reduce the borrowing also. Let's see the investors sections of this company. Promoters having almost 57% right, and FII is also having 21% right, and DI is increased this stake from by 4% right from March 2024 to this quarter right, to June 2024 right, from 11 to 15 right, increased by the 4% right. So this is also good. And the retail is only having a 5% right, which is very good from the retailer point of view. So almost 95% is in a strong hand and 5% in his retail. Okay. And the one of the interesting thing in the promoter is like, if you see company के पास right almost 17% right, 3% here and 14% here is with the Junjunwala family right. You can see the big bull entering here right. It's very nice, and keeping them as an upper motor of this company is in a good fit. Let's see the chart on the trading view now. See, since 2021 stock is in a downfall, and then stock has started moving in a sideways movement, and that's very good for this stock right overall like this. This is a kind of aggregation for this stock. And see लगभग stock 37% low पर trade कर रहा है from its lifetime high right. If you can see it here, it's 37% right. And let's draw the falling wedge of this stock, right, touching a couple of resistance lines like this, and stock ने यहाँ पर already breakout दे दिया, right? So it shows the sign of the stock has started moving sideways at the moment. Let's draw the support line of this stock, and the stock has already tested this particular support line 1, 2, 3 and 4 times, right? So this stock has tested this resistance line. So this stock has tested this support line already 4 times, right? And let's draw the resistance line of this stock like this, right? And in this range of support and resistance, right, stock has already moved twice like this. First movement, and that's the second movement of this stock, right? And if you see the gain, right, for these two movements, it's already approx 18%, right? So which is very good on a shorter duration. So इस range को already stock ने now stock has given a breakout from this range, and stock it's taking a support of this resistance line at the moment. And see, जब stock का price, जब stock, right, it was lifetime high around 900 plus rupees in the 2021, right? Let's see the profits in 2021, and the stock profit was in negative, and now the stock is posting a highest ever result, right? And at this moment, right, stock is available at 36% of discount, right, which is amazing stuff at the moment. So my understanding is like stock has already is in a downfall like this, right, and it started aggregation at the moment, and it will again move towards this lifetime high, considering the highest ever result of this stock. And if stock moves from the current price to the highest top price of this stock, right, it can be a gain of more than 50%, right, which is amazing number. So overall, this is just an observation, right, from the stock point of view. This is not a recommendations to buy or sell. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to further do the research and posting the video like this. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you once again.